He's gonna fight you with the broom. Where are you going there, missus? Are you a missus? Hi.
Yeah.
May I have it? I'll get some more broom. And I'll get some more dust.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got the right idea. Can put in his pocket. I'm only 1 year old, and my dad taught me how to sweep the floors. Yeah. Well, we got some more over here. Just a minute. This way. Come on, this way. Come on. Now, come back this way. Come on. Don't walk on the broom. I can't get the dust of you two. Yeah, good.